is paying Bobrisky's bills? Who is that guy paying Bobrisky's bills? Where is Bobrisky seeing money? Should I tell you?
My people wanna be like bicycle as Bobrisky, mommy of Lagos, don't shoot him leg without knowing. She publicly come out, come advertise, say my people, una go the thing say na me they spend all the money where I get. But no, na men them they sponsor me. I get different men at my bet and call. He come to advise girls, say see the kind money where I have. Una think say na me they spend my money? Of course no, I am the mommy of Lagos. Na me be their mama. As I dey speak na so men they listen to me. He come advise girls, say how you go be fine girl and men no they spend on you. She come mistakenly leak him secret to, say una think say na clear eye. Na kind matter be the whole thing. No, pronounce the name of the
Secret.
blog. Say
you see, this product is called Money Arc. If you use this product from Chaii Secrets, forget about everything. Money.
If you be girl where they hustle out there to you go they think say they do well for yourself because of all these social media slave queens. My dear, make I tell you, if they tell you what thing they do behind closed door, you go carry yourself, gather yourself together and say I am doing well for myself. A lot of these slave queens just they envy people out there where they work legit work, but to them they cannot divert because they don't taste that thing where been they find. So you out there working in legitimately, make you not lose focus, so make you they do your thing, they go. Baba God go remember you one day and you self go do what? Go blow. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, follow this channel for more Wenge news with the tutorial body. And I know as you they do up for here. It's I'm about girl Cindy. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do give us a thumbs up, follow this channel, like, comment, share our videos. They give us one kind encouragement to continue. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.